Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preserving the print and minimizing contamination. Gloves on, breath away. Place the item on a flat, steady surface and position a strong light at about 30 degrees to cast relief shadows. Once done, bring a 10x 20x magnifying glass to roughly 2.4 cm from the print. Move slowly to avoid glare. Make sure to hold the lens steady with both hands so you can see pores, ridge endings, and any residue. This is why angle and distance matter. Once you've located the print, scan the whole pattern to get orientation, then zoom in on 1 to 2 minute features. These minutiae are what link prints. Move the lens slowly along ridges to reveal endings, bifurcations, and islands. Poor visibility helps too. Make sure to photograph each view. Align camera with magnifier, use a tripod, and set a 2-3 second shutter delay so the image is sharp. This method gives both context and high detail close-ups for comparison. You finish by documenting every find. Label photos with scale and orientation, and save high detail shots of each minutia. If glare hides detail, reduce light intensity or shift the illumination angle by about 10 to 15 degrees. Small changes often reveal lost contrast. If ridges remain faint, make sure the surface is dry, then use oblique lighting or gently apply a light contrast powder. Test on a non-critical area first. Finally, store images and notes together so comparison is immediate and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.